Ko ngā te apa, ngā wairiki, ko tūwhare tō oku iwi, ko Mike Paki toko ingoa. My cousin says, well, come up to AWanuiārangi and do your PhD with us. So I came up here to have a look, and 5 years later I graduated with my PhD in Indigenous Studies. And I've been sending whānau up here ever since, because the kaupapa is right. We don't have to explain ourselves when we talk about whanaungatanga. We don't have to explain ourselves when we talk about whakapapa. We don't have to explain ourselves when we talk about kotahitanga, wairuatanga, me rātu momo, and those things that are intrinsic to us, whereas in the Pākehā universities, we're forever explaining what those things are. A lot of Western academia do not see our methodologies as being real or true. But if we don't step up and validate our own knowledge systems and our own ways of doing, nobody else will. That's what was good about here at Wānanga or AWanuiārangi. It's about seeing the world through our eyes, not somebody else's. And by us being able to use our own methodologies, our own tikanga, to do the research that we need to do for our whānau apua and iwi. And yep, the Whare Wānanga o AWanuiārangi is their place.